What happens when the iPhone's legendary designer teams up with ChatGPT's creators? OpenAI just acquired Jony Ive's AI startup IO for $6.4 billion. Today on GadInsider, we're diving into this massive deal that could redefine AI hardware. Stick around, this is a game changer. GadInsider, your ultimate source for tech, gadgets, and AI breakthroughs. OpenAI, the makers of ChatGPT, just made their biggest move yet, buying IO, an AI hardware setup led by Jony Ive, Apple's design genius behind the iPhone, in a $6.4 billion all-stock deal. Let's unpack why this is huge for the future of AI. Founded by Jony Ive and ex-Apple execs like Scott Cannon and Tang Tan, IO is all about next-gen AI hardware. Now under OpenAI, Ive will lead design for both IO and OpenAI, blending his iconic style with AI innovation. Think sleek devices that could outshine your iPhone. Sam Altman, OpenAI CEO, called Ive the greatest designer in the world. With IO's 55 engineers joining OpenAI in San Francisco, they're set to create inspiring and empowering AI products. X-posts are buzzing. Some say this could lead to a post-smartphone era by 2026. This follows OpenAI's $3 billion Windsurf Buy and Rockset acquisition, showing they're serious about hardware. The $6.4 billion deal, including OpenAI's 23% stake in IO, is their biggest ever, and it's a direct shot at rivals like Google and Apple. With Jony Ive's design magic and OpenAI's AI smarts, we could see revolutionary devices soon. Will they top the iPhone? Only time will tell. Let's keep the convo going. Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and hit the bell icon.